Hello guys, we are so glad to have you back on this channel, just like we always do. And yes, on today's video we are yet again in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And on this video we are going to take you guys to the construction site of the Overpass bridge that is currently being constructed in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria, by the Anambra State government. Talking about the Soludo's administration in Anambra State. So guys, as we can see already, everywhere in Awka is looking beautiful, more beautiful and more beautiful by the day. You know, this administration has taken it upon itself to put a whole lot of things in place and in check. Talking about this particular project, which we are already at the construction site, as you can see, it is going to be of immense value to the capital city by the time it is being completed, being that it is going to be linking two various towns in Awka, which is the Awka axis and also the Awka axis. And by the time this project is being completed and this overpass bridge is being put in use, it is truly going to alleviate the traffic that we all normally witness at the Aroma flyover and environment. Yes, it is also going to ease or make the vehicular movements around these areas more easier. You know, when you are going from Ifite probably to a Awka, you wouldn't need to, start going to Aroma. You will just need to go through this overpass bridge and straight up to 6th Avenue, taking you towards the Awka areas. So there are lots of benefits that this project is going to bring to the capital city by the time it is being completed, and it is really a well thought out project, I must tell you. So all kudos to the Soludo's administration for this one again. Talking about the legacy projects of the Soludo's administration in Anambra State, there has been a lot of these projects on ground. Yes, when we talk of legacy projects, Soludo is actually topping the list in Anambra State so far. So good, with a lot of legacy projects that are being put on ground. Soludo would actually stand out in terms of stuffs like this. He has actually placed himself in an outstanding point when it comes to delivering quality projects and also legacy projects. Now let's also talk about the numerous projects that we could say these are legacy projects. First and foremost, we can talk about this particular project over here, which is the Overpass Bridge in Awka. We can also talk about the Anambra State Government House and Governor's Lodge that is under construction. Yes, that video will be coming your way very soon. We can talk about the Solution Fund City that is also being constructed and is approaching its final stage even as we speak. We can talk about the Ekulobia flyover that is probably at its completion stage even as we speak. We can talk about the road realization that is going on from Amobia up till the Oga. We can talk about another road realization that is going on from Agolo up till the Okija. And I can continue naming them and naming them and naming them. There are lots of legacy projects that this administration is actually delivering on ground. So looking at this place where we are right now, you can see that the beams the beams that are going to carry this overpass bridge are actually set. So you can see them for yourself. Virtually almost all the beams that are going to be used for this overpass bridge are set. Virtually all of them are set and they are ready to be deployed. And also, if you look around the other side, you will notice that even the pillar that's going to carry the bridge, the center pillar, have been completed already. They are almost at the final stage of the center pillar that is going to carry this bridge. So I'm going to take you around this site so that you will see what is going on and how far these guys have come on this construction. So over here you can also see some slabs that have been set already. Yes, these are slabs that have been done with already and they are just waiting to be deployed. So a lot of things have been put in place for this construction to actually get completed. So what they are doing now is they are trying to complete the pillars on both sides of the bridge. Just like I told you, this is the center pillar, and you can see that they are almost getting finished with it already. Yes. So also right beside here we'll also see the other pillar. This is the pillar that is around the main axis of this bridge. You can see that they have already commenced. They are done with the foundation of the pillar and they are already coming up. And also, if you take a close look at the material that they are using to construct this pillar, you will notice that they are actually using a very solid rods to construct this pillar. It's not a joke, guys. It is not a joke. You can, I'm going to zoom closer so that you see these rods very well. Hope you can see the quality of rods they are using. It's a very thick rod. It's not a joke. So these guys are actually delivering a very quality job on ground. I must say it the way it is. Yes, please, I would love to know what you think about this project that are going on in Anambra State. I would love to know what you think about this administration, talking about the Soludo's administration in Anambra State. I would love to know what you think about these numerous projects that are going on all around the state, talking about legacy projects of this administration. These projects are projects that will outlive this administration even by the time they might have left office. Please, let's hear your thoughts, let's hear your advices, let's hear your recommendations, whatever it is you have to say about this project or this administration or this Anambra State government. Please do share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. And just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV. Please do well to comment, share, like, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel just in case you have not subscribed already. So over here is the side that leads to Ifite. Yes, and you can see how far they have come on that side also. Thank you for watching. Just in case you have watched up to this point, remain blessed and see you on our next epic video.